What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Today is Monday, July 3rd, 2023. And my entire team is off today. Even the office manager, the pipe nurse, even she's off today. But Mikey Pipes is working. I got to get the jobs done, ladies and gentlemen. I also have to give the team some time to rest because we're going to have, and like we're continuing to have, thank God, a great busy summer. I'm heading on to the Van Wyck Expressway, heading from Southern Queens by JFK Airport, and we're going to Kew Gardens. We were here about a week and a half ago where we saw some hackery. Yep. We saw some hackery at its finest. We saw someone who didn't know HVAC. Well, let's just say, thank God they didn't come back. In case you didn't watch the episode, it's the episode where they wired R, W, G, and C, and Y together at the air handler. And they said they needed a part and they'd be right back. And ladies and gentlemen, this is actually an epic moment right now. For all those who are from the metropolitan tri-state area and familiar with the Van Wyck Expressway, I'm actually doing 42 miles an hour. I'm in the right lane, and it is 7:23 in the morning. And I think I spoke too soon. Well, let's just memorialize this moment while we can, with a moment of silence. It feels nice when you don't hear me talk, doesn't it? Admit it. If you know it's true, smash that thumbs up button. Let's go, because there's the traffic. But I did make it my way quite far on the Van Wyck before we hit some traffic. And there it is.
Morning.
I'm back.
Morning. I like the license plate.
Thank you.
Thank you for
right.
Such short notice. I don't know what happened. The only thing I did...
Oh, you did something.
I changed the schedule.
Change the thermostat.
The thermostat.
Change the schedule on the thermostat, you change the thermostat.
No, the schedule.
Yeah?
From 75 to 76.
All right, let me get my tools.
That's all I did.
And nothing comes on now.
All right.
Nothing. All right. All right. 80 degrees, set to 74, heat 66. Well, let's go see what he did. I love it when they take everything apart from me. So if you didn't blow the fuse, then you maybe blew the transformer. Today's been one of those days where my phone rings continuously because no one's in the office. All right, let's see what's going on. All right, we are connected to R and C on our transformer. Let's turn the power on. We have 24 volts. So one of the first things I learned when I was here last time is that I need to change the tapping on here because this is New York City and no one ever did it. So this middle tapping right there, that says 208. And if I move this black wire to there, we're gonna have 28 volts. So I moved the tapping from 240 to 208, and now I have 28 volts. Actually 27.2. All right, so there's our incoming line voltage. Let's put one wire there. If I could do this without electrocuting myself. Let's move that up a little bit. Let's touch here and there. You can see we have 210, 208. So first thing we did, move the tapping on that. That should have been done by the original installer. But you learn something new every day, ladies and gentlemen. You don't have something to do with three-phase, but it's only two-phase or one-phase. But we just fixed that. So now, why doesn't anything else work? You sure you didn't change that thermostat?
Absolutely not.
All right. So let's, power is off. Let's reconnect our low voltage 24 volt wiring back to the transformer. And the first thing we're going to do is let's see if we can get fan to work. So our 24 volts and our gray wire gives us G. Okay. Fan works. That's a good thing. At least you didn't blow up your ECM motor. I'm gonna guess we have something wrong with that thermostat. Okay. R and G. Let's see if the fan came on. All right. Our fan is on. Let's grab a 3-wire Wago. And now we're gonna jump out RC, Y, and G. There's RC, there's G, and there's Y. Let's see if the condenser's on. All right, she's running. Bet you that capacitor's still weak too, unless you change that. All right, bad thermostat. All right, RC, G, and Y1. I extended RH, W, and C because they were stranded wires and they didn't want to go into those wire terminals. We're level, even though that's not telling the truth. Let's put it on the wall. Eco. Like not an Eco B, but Eco. No, he want the cool. Hold. I think I just heard the fan came on.
The door closes itself, yes.
Yeah, because you have the open return from the bottom of the air handler, so it sucks the basement air.
I have something to block the door, but it pulls the door in.
Why don't you put louver? Get a louvered door.
Yeah, I'll figure something out.
Yeah.
I just want this damn thing to work.
I hear you.
Get out of there.
Did you change the dual capacitor in your outdoor condenser yet? Did you read the comments from the video?
Oh, I got roasted.
You got roasted.
Every minute of it.
All right, let's go see if the outdoor unit is on. Last week when I was here, I had dynamically tested the outdoor condensing unit, the capacitor, and it wasn't within range. And he didn't want to replace it. He goes, he just got it on Amazon, so. All right, she's working. There she is. All right, almost forgot. He reminded me though, the debris on the floor. Clean up the debris on the floor after yourself. Did I clean up the debris after myself last time?
Maybe.
Okay. Wet.
Yeah.
A wet paper towel will get anything off the floor. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. A little bit of a schlep on a day the company has off, but nonetheless, we gotta keep the customers happy. And if your wife is hot, better get the AC fixed. Call the Pipe Doctor, 516-348-6300. Have a happy and healthy 4th of July, ladies and gentlemen. Catch you on the next one.